We're going to go through a simple exercise that's going to help you feel more energy and clear and calm at the same time. This is one of my favorites. It's the Eagles breathing exercise. So you can do this seated or standing. I recommend standing, feet about shoulder width apart. It's going to be an even inhale and exhale with a rhythmic spinal movement. Okay, so as we inhale, we're going to swoop the arms up. Exhale. You swoop the arms down, simultaneously rounding the spine. Okay, so here we go. Inhale, reaching the arms up. Let's breathe in through the nose, creating an arch in the back. Exhale, tucking the chin, tucking the tailbone, rounding the spine. I'll do a few from a side angle here. Inhale, opening up, creating a nice arch through the back, looking up. Exhale through the mouth. You can make a ha sound. Tucking the chin, tucking the tailbone. We're not squatting, just opening and bending through the spine, keeping the knees slightly bent. So you inhale through the nose, reaching up, stretching up, opening up the chest, reaching the chest towards the sky. Exhale through the mouth, releasing any stress, rounding, tucking the chin and the tail. You're doing great. Big breath in through the nose, belly and chest, filling up the lungs. So this helps to regulate the nervous system. We're also expanding the muscles around the lungs, the shoulders, opening up the capacity to breathe, releasing stagnant energy. We are helping you feel more vitality through this movement and breath, creating more heart and brain coherence. And you can imagine the arms are moving for you, so you get into a state of flow, feeling the sense of lightness and expansion. In through the nose, out through the mouth. We're going to do a few more, slightly faster pace. In through the nose, out through the mouth, rounding the spine. You're doing great. Inhale, letting it go. You can round as much or as little as you like. The key here is that it's even, and you're doing this movement with the spine, opening and rounding, like a cat-cow if you're familiar with that movement. A few more here. Big breath in and out. In and out. Up and down. You might feel lightheaded. In and out. It's all part of the process. A few more. Now take a big breath in, hold it at the top. Another sip of air in. Hold it at the top. And then, just shaking it out. Shake out the shoulders a little bit, there we go. And then coming to a pause, just noticing how you feel after doing a few minutes of the Eagle's breath. You're ready to take on the next part of your day. Have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one.